Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kriscoolmod. This is your monthly update for RetroBeast 3. We are in August, so this is now for the update. It's gonna be for the RetroBeast 16 to 80 terabyte. So update, I will talk about the update for the big RetroBeast, the Power PC, and also the new mini version. Same update for the mini version, I'm gonna explain. And now you can have the 8 terabyte for handle and 8 terabyte for micro PC. Also I will talk about those updates. So to simplify and explain, now the big RetroBeast, this is the new mini in-win PC, and this is the old Frostbite, but actually it's my it's the same setup as the in-win. The in-win is about this size. So now on my store you have the in-win PC, 80 terabyte. You can have the mini in-win 80 terabyte with the APU 5700G, very powerful, very great. So when I talk about the 80 terabyte update, this is for the mini in-win and the big in-win, all right? Also, when I'm gonna talk about the 8 terabyte update is good for the One X, it's good for the Neo, and the new ASRock mini PC with 8 terabyte with a 5600G, very powerful. So when you read the update for the 8 terabyte is good for the mini micro PC, Neo, One X. Everything that's 8 terabyte has the same game, same update. Everything about the 80 terabyte has the same update. It can be the mini PC or the big PC, the in-win. Now if you go on my store, you don't see any more PS4, any more Raspberry Pi 4, and no more Odroid. The reason is for Odroid and P4. The reason is, in my opinion, those handles are great but not enough powerful. So I'm waiting for more powerful Raspberry 5, let's say, to build a new one. But for now, I'm not happy. For Dreamcast and Saturn and Nintendo 64, it just needs a little bit more power to handle those games. So I remove PS4, Raspberry 4, and Odroid, okay, for a lot of reasons. But as soon as they're gonna release, let's say, a Raspberry 5 and enough power to run the Dreamcast properly and Saturn, I will make a mini handle. But for now, it's just about PC. For the update, so if I'm talking about the 8 terabyte, I'm gonna take the handle. So this is the 8 terabyte One X player, and this update is good for the micro PC and the Neos, the same feature, all right? So what I did on those 8 terabyte version RetroBeast, all emulator are up to date, okay? Everyone, I'm updating the emulator. I fixed Transformer on Technoparrot. I fixed Borderlands 3, the booting. I delete the Ps3 save data cache to fix game booting faster. I fixed Final Fantasy on PlayStation 1. Now you have 3 new themes. You have a new section, the theme section. You have the Hyperspin, you have the Kriscoolmod version, the neon style, the coin up style. All right, so this is new. I did add the Xbox on the 8 TB. Now you can enjoy a few Xbox games right there. And Cody is up to date. All right, so I take care of your handle and 8 TB. I make sure everything is up to date. Just click on the sync recovery. It's very easy, and you can update your handle and 8 TB. All right, so this is for the 8 TB. Also, okay, on the 80 TB this month, what I did, a lot of new stuff. By the way, see the new OS drive? It's very simple. Now you have the wiki, is cleaner, is more comprehensive. You have the shortcut, you have the wiki section, the video section, the most important apps to update your driver. Now you have the CCleaner, do every month. You have your driver booster. You have your Intel driver. It's going to scan all the Intel driver you need. The NVIDIA. If you have a Radeon GPU, you have the shortcut also. The shortcut to save your save game. Startup fix. If you have problem for starting RetroBeast, there is a fix there. Also for wallpaper and the rain meter. You have the team viewer. After you have the wiki, wiki PDF and wiki video. Simple as that. And the Windows 10. So every month you have a new OS drive. So after a few months, you should reflash your C drive. It's very simple. You just open the OS drive folder, and all information on how to do it. It's very simple. You don't have to unplug any drive. You just boot the application. You point where's the new OS drive and let the magic happen, and you will have the same OS drive as mine. So it will be simple, cleaner, more comprehensive. All right. Everything is there. If you take time to read, everything is in the wiki shortcut on the desktop. And make sure you update, you shut down your firewall, you update your driver, your window update. Take care of your PC, and it's gonna work very great. Talking about the new WinWin, recently I just updated the motherboard. Before the PowerPC and Win used to have the B450 MSI board. Now it's upgraded to the B550 board. It's got the new CPU. It's got a new CPU and motherboard. And GPU, it's a 3060 now. So if you are interested to buy my big RetroBeast, it's all upgraded. Someone asked me for the second screen. If you want to use the second screen, I didn't plug my second screen, sorry, but you use the cabinet style, this one. You start diamond, and if you have a second screen on your setup, it will automatically, for all the main games, but for all the games in the diamond, you will add the marquee. All right, so you have to boot the cabinet style diamond for that. So update 17, what's new? All emulator are up to date. Every emulator is up to date. Same thing as the 8 terabyte. The Borderlands 3 boot is fixed. I delete the PS3 cache, save data, so that way all game would boot faster, no problem. I move NES 3D, NES HD to the ACK version. I'll show you. This is the new team, the new booted. Every team has a short video. Very sweet. ACK version. Yeah, I moved the NES 3D is in the ACK version. This is a 3D version, and the HD NES is in the ACK version. Oh, I found a Super NES HD widescreen ACK for Super Mario. Where it is? What? Mod. It's a widescreen version. Ah, here, Super Nintendo HD widescreen. It's not stretched, that's why I put it there. Someone find a way to put it 16:9 ratio, but it's not stretched. It's original, so it's very. It's just one game. If I find more game, I think there is two more. I don't remember. So you can play the Super Mario, not 4:3 but 16:9, but not stretch. It's origin. I don't know why they do that, but it's very sweet. So I find this. I fixed Final Fantasy VII on PlayStation, on the PlayStation 1. It was missing. I think it was 2 times the Final Fantasy 8. When you did boot the Final Fantasy 7, it was the 8. Now it's fixed. I did add 2 new team. I'm gonna show you. Team. Okay. Now you have the Hyperspin. Everybody knows it. I'm gonna boot it. Now you have the Hyperspin. So you will have all the wheel on the right. All right, that's the Hyperspin. The coin up. With the logo at the bottom. All right. Yeah, the one I did last month, Kriscoolmod. Very colorful. I changed all the logo style. So the wheel is on the left. All right. And when you wait 2-3 seconds, the all video, I'm gonna show you, they goes full screen. Let's say PC game. If you wait a little, the video should go full screen, see? So it goes on the small screen and after it goes to the full screen. Very good, very great. So you will have all video running in full screen. All right. And the last one and the new one. It's like the coin-up one, but it's the icon is on the middle. See? With the neon wave running on the background. Very great. So this is all the new theme. I did add 2 more wallpaper in wallpaper engine. Find it, very great. But that's the one running now. This one is got a soft, very low music on the background. Very great, very retro 80s style. There is a ton of more Switch game, all updated, all DLCs installed and update. The new Super Mario Golf, everything. A ton of new AAA PC game. Switch, now we reached 4,000 games. All have DLC and update. So the PC game, it's almost 2,000 PC game. But my objective is not to throw a bunch of games. I just add the most popular and just the good games. All right. So PC game, a ton of new game, almost 1900. Oh yeah, Switch. I did something. Someone asked me to remove the shop from the main wheel. So Nintendo Switch now has 1,000 games. All right, and this is the big game. This is only the big cartridge game. Now you have the Nintendo Switch eShop. This is the eShop, all the mini game, 2,300 games, and the Japan, the import. So Switch now you have 3 wheels. All right. Bigbox and launchbox is updated to the last version. Namco on the board section. Namco 23 Ace driver works. Max Payne collection works. I'm going to show you because one guy told me 2 times that the Max Payne he didn't have any game. But I'm gonna show you that it works. There's a lot of collection now. Okay, Max Payne. See all the games are there. Mortal Kombat collection has been redone. The Mugen and Super NES. So Mortal Kombat, I did clean and add some games. So all games should work now. And yeah. so the wheel is redone. PS3 Mini is fixed now, the booting is fixed, it was sample fixed. Street Fighter hack wheel is fixed. Toonie Hawk 1 PS1 is fixed. Okay, light gun. This man on light gun, very great. I did add the Action Max and the ALG game. Not gonna be long. I put it at the start, so it's easier for me to work on it. Okay, so light gun now. There is 157 game working with the Sidon light gun. You have the Singe game, Action Max, and American Laser gun game. Mad Dog McFree HD. This is the Techno Parrot. The Wii. The Wii works now. It's a little bit weird. The Wii is tricky with the light gun. The gun works. It just it's hard to configure is the button, because the Wii need a few buttons and the light gun is missing a few buttons. So some game work, but sometimes you will miss one or two buttons. Because if I map the light gun for one game, it doesn't work for the other game. If I fix the other game, the first game, the button is mixed up. So Wii is a little bit weird. But for the Techno Parrot, the MAME, the Dreamcast, all is good. Dreamcast is new now. This is all the Wii. Dreamcast works with the light gun, very great. And American Laser. All right. New York light gun. Dreamcast is new. Yes, Inch 2 Wii game. Now the Dreamcast is upscaled to 4K. I did add a Disney movie, one request from a guy, a Song of the South, a big box. I did add 2 new wheels. On the big box. I did add MSU MD Plus. It's a Sega, it's a kind of Sega CD MSU. That's a new wheel. Where is this one? Is new. And the Odyssey is new. Talking about Singe 2, I did add 6 more games on the Singe 2. Great emulator. It's just a new version released a few months ago, and it ran all the American Laser and stuff like that. Singe 2. There is the new Singe 2, and there is 6 new games. I think this one is new. This one. This one. Platoon, I think. Puss in Boots. Space Pirate, I think. Sucker Punch, Titan, Tron. Yeah. New game. In the MAME section, Gallico, ATV Track and Smash was removed. Nemco 22, Ace Driver and X Victory Lap Virtual Racing is fixed. The only emulator I have problem is Philip CDE. I still not figure out how to fix it, but Philip CDE need to be fixed. Okay, Mario 8. What I did, I removed the collection Mario. It was a special Mario Kart Mercedes. I fixed it, and I did put on the Mario Kart, but the game is fixed. Where's the Mario? Okay, there's the Mario Kart. Okay, so here it was Mario Mercedes wheel. I removed the wheel, and it's right there, and it's booting now. It works. I did, okay, the Mortal Kombat wheel, I did add the Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3 and more. 3DS import is fixed. The Xbox emulator now, you can scale up to 8K, but I did set it to 4K, and there is a difference. For the Xbox emulator, if you play as the original and you upscale to only 2 and 4, it's amazing. It's beautiful. Maybe I can show you. I think now it's set to 4. Yeah, it's set to 4. No, I'm not gonna show you, but just take a look. You can change, when you boot the game, you can press the home button on the controller and change the scale from 1 to 2 to 4, and you will see the difference. Syncovery is updated now, it's a new version. Cody is updated, last version. Bigbox is updated. Oh yeah, and in Bigbox, I add the zinc wheel also. There is a lot of updates. Yeah, and now on the wheel, and the big, what I did is, a lot of people, they said, oh, one game doesn't work or doesn't work. So in the big emulator wheel, what I did, you will find a compatibility list. If you press on it, you will go to the XEMU for this example, and you will see now 60% of the game are working. And just to let you know, last month or 2 months ago it was 40%. Last month it was around 50, and now it's 60. 60% of the game works. All right. So if you go on the PS3, the Xbox wheel, the Wii, the Switch, you will find the compatibility wheel. So before asking me if or telling me, oh, one game doesn't work, oh, I cannot boot Halo or whatever, just go on the wheel. I'm going to show you another one. Let's say PS3. or Wii, Xbox 360. So let's say you go on the PS3 wheel, you go on PS3 compatibility list, you click on it, you can search your game, and it will tell you it's not playable, it's playable, it's booting but not playable, stuff like that. All right. So it's almost done for the update. So now you will have every month 2 updates for the 8 terabyte and the 80 terabyte. I will talk about. And just go on for the new people that just subscribe to my channel and they don't have any system. Now it's very simple. I have the big PC, 80 terabyte with power version. It's a big PC or a mini PC, but 80 terabyte. And I have the 8 terabyte mini PC, same as the Endo. All right. This is the portable video card. So a lot of update this month. Everything works great. I make sure every month everything works, run flawless. I do my best to offer you the best retro gaming experience for all system, all games. So hope you enjoy it. If you have any problem with your OS drive, just reflash your C drive. Everything's gonna work back like it should be. Don't worry. And now I found the fix for people that want to buy the HDD only for and you have an Intel, is gonna work. So all my HDD installation, it's very simple now. It works on all PC, any system you have. I have a great installation. If you buy my HDD, I have the C drive. You can flash on your C drive. Takes 15 minutes. You flash your C drive, you plug your HDD, and you're ready to go. All right. So have a good gaming, guys, and see you next month. Bye bye.